Hi guys, it's EmmyKat, and today we have a giant LOL Big Surprise limited edition.
Yes! We have
Mommy, it looks like an LOL ball.
Oh, it's so beautiful. We have the limited edition LOL Surprise Big Surprises. 50 surprises inside. Never before seen, only we've seen it before, haven't we?
Yes.
Not in person, but in videos. Okay, so we are gonna have to.
This is when you open it.
Oh, look at
It's actually
that.
not a real ball.
It's not a real ball.
Peel it.
You know what would be so cool? Like hanging on your wall or a wall or some wall.
Oh, yeah.
I know, because a lot of people didn't like that it wasn't an actual ball, but I like it because it can hang. It's cool. So what are we going to open first?
We're going to open the balls inside with all the outfits.
Okay, so we're going to have to probably split this up into more than one video.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open the actual
Ball.
Big surprise, the ball that's actually not a ball, but it's, oh, here she goes. And then we're going to get the outfits out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds amazing.
Whoa.
Wait, whoa. Oh my gosh, this is like, almost like a big giant golden cake.
It is.
A giant glitter pie.
LOL in the back.
Oh, super cool. I love that. That's
I'm having
really
an
cool.
LOL rainbow candy birthday.
She is. It's a sweet treat rainbow LOL party. And we've got some really cool decorations for it, don't we? One of them might just happen to be right behind you. Maybe. Hey, Diva.
Hi, Diva.
Diva's looking at you. She's like, Emmy's the real Diva right now.
She might be in this ball.
Oh, Diva might be in it.
No.
We really don't. Okay, how many vids have you seen of somebody opening one of these?
16.
What? So I'm going to be surprised because I've seen 0 and you're not because you've seen 16. So you're going to be like, yeah, I'm pretty much an expert. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it's weird because it opens from the flat part. So that's cool.
What's this?
Oh my goodness. Scratch
Oh,
here?
mommy, there's
What?
gold and white balls.
What is that? A
There's
scratcher?
gold and white balls.
Okay. Apparently there's some sort of contest you can enter because it says scratch here. Okay, so we'll save
Look,
that.
there's gold and white balls.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't know
Okay.
there was gold and white
So
balls. I
these
thought it
are
was
these
just all
10
gold.
surprises and I don't
Wait,
know
what does this one say?
Okay, we're just getting started, says Queen Bee. Keep going. Yoo-hoo. LOL surprise, 10 surprises. Pick me.
Oh, okay, I'll pick you.
Okay.
Wait, oh, it says this one. I'm picking this one.
Okay, I don't know exactly what these are, but this is definitely the first layer.
This is pretty.
Okay, what is it? Oh my goodness.
I'll put them up here. Sorry.
Yeah, tell me where you're gonna put them, because, oh, wow, okay.
That
Alright.
is adorable, guys.
What in the world? That's a really cool shirt with
It's
like
like
a
a
silver vest on it, yeah. Oh, okay, so these tiny, adorable little balls
White.
right in the top here,
White.
in the very top section.
This is adorable too.
Oh, yeah.
I dropped it. I'll get it.
Really dropped it. So you take off the lid, and this is the very first thing that you see. This is amazing. It's so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 10 outfit accessories. And, oh, here we go. She put it out there. Look at you. Oh my goodness.
Here's the
Oh, look at
glittery
that outfit.
boots.
What? Oh!
Actually, really
whoa.
glittery.
Whoa! Whoa! There is like no, oh goodness, I'm throwing it down. There's like no way to even
Here's
talk
a
about
necklace.
glittery though, right? Okay. And, ooh, look at that. That's so glamorous.
Ooh.
Hi.
Pretty.
Are those seriously like clear roller skates?
No, they're blades.
Oh, excuse me, blades. Whoa, goodness gracious. Look at this ball. Like if we could just get.
Here's some pink boots.
Oh my God.
And Mommy, I'm showing you pink boots.
Yes, I'm gonna see
love these miniature balls. They're like so tiny.
I love those. Somebody needs a Manny.
Oh yeah.
You need a Manny, I need a Cuddy. Oh, babe, I know. You know what? Emmy is right now, she's on antibiotic for some bronchitis.
Oh, golden shorts?
You know,
I'm putting the
school
outfits
and
over.
seasonal allergies, taking everybody's booties right now. Oh my gosh, speaking of booty, look at the booty and the golden shorts. I love those ruffles. I seriously do.
Well,
this could so be my wardrobe.
Glittered out.
Glitter out. Ooh, you're right. You are so right. Whoa. Yes. Totally loving that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. What? You're moving fast, sister. Whoa. Whoa, what is that? Oh my gosh. Is that? Oh, it's like a glitter shirt. Oh, super cool.
Last ball.
Oh, last one.
Oh my gosh, Mom, this is so
Ooh,
cool.
what is
There's
it?
diamonds on the shorts.
Diamond shirt. Oh,
Go show them.
Okay, I'll show them. Like it's got diamond studs on the pockets. That is just so freaking.
So
epic.
we opened 8 of these balls,
Okay.
and now we're on to the next layer. With the next layer has bath
I
bombs,
think there's
and
10.
I
Okay.
am so sorry.
So you took that off.
We
Whoa.
cannot do the bath bombs.
We're not doing the bath bombs today. Okay,
But
so
we're
we're
doing
taking the bath
bath
bomb
bomb.
layer out. Okay, so this is like.
I'm opening the balls.
Don't open. You can go ahead and start it, but here's what's going on. Okay, so this is like hard plastic, and there is 5 balls sitting inside of this. Oh, I'm about to dump them out. No, I didn't really. Okay, so basically the layers are stacked, and so it looks like the circles of plastic that they're actually stored in just get smaller and smaller as you get down towards the base of the ball. So that's really cool. So we
So here is the
have
balls.
4. There's 2 big, 2 little. They're in white.
Wrapping.
Ah, that's really cool. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking.
I'm already opening.
I know, I see that. That's great. Here's what I'm thinking.
Oh,
Supposedly,
it's Rockstar. Rockstar.
ooh, super cool. I don't think I've ever seen that clue before.
No, I think there's new clues.
Rockstar.
I think there's new clues.
Okay, so basically, while she's opening, I'm going to show you this ball. So on the outside of the ball, instead of like, well,
What did she
here's two little
say?
they had this pump.
What did she say?
Let me see. She says there's all kinds of stuff, but you get, what's your sign?
Okay, what's your sign?
Santa.
Oh, it's a gold ball.
Okay.
It's a gold ball.
Oh my gosh, I think these might all be gold balls, but unbox me. It's the mystery ball on the outside.
White and gold.
The ball is?
White and
Oh my
gold.
gosh, half white, half gold. That's super cool. So I'm wondering if
Oh, what does she
I
say?
got her for surprise. She says, diamonds are my BFF. And she says, I literally can't.
That's a pun.
That's a pun. You're right. You're so right. We love puns.
Kind of like a pun.
Yeah, we're kind of like the pun family because we're so punny.
Saving the blind bags for last because they're the best part.
They are the best part.
See, it's gold. Gold and white.
Okay, so the glitter series, the
This is
glitter
like
like
a
12
trash
to
can.
collect in the glitter series, they just came out. They were supposed to come out to all Toys R Us on October 1st. I thought they were coming out at Target as well. But Emmy and I went to, we had to get her prescriptions filled for her bronchitis, so we went to Toys R Us and Target today to try to find the glitter series, right? What did we find? Nothing. That's okay though.
See, it's
All right.
and gold.
So we're gonna check out these babies.
She has
Big
like
sisters, little sisters. Let's check them out.
big sisters, little sisters.
I mean, I've seen a few pictures here and there, but I actually have not taken the time to like sit down and watch an unboxing vid. So really, I really don't. I can't tell you. I know they have glitter.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Let me see her. Oh my gosh, do you even know her name? Well, she is. You're right.
they don't come with a checklist.
Whoa, okay, this is the
Here's her bottle.
this is the one with the different colored eyes. Oh my god.
She has different colored eyes. Oh, her eyes are glittery. Her eyes are glittery. Mom, her eyes are glittery. And she has different colored skin. She has different colored skin. Mom, she has different colored skin. I can barely see my sister.
You're right. If you actually get her in the light.
She has different
Oh, you can't. You're not gonna be able to tell, but
she has the glorious skin. Apple. Look at that cat. There's a cake, Mom.
so great.
Mom.
Yeah. Oh my god. She has a cape. No, she doesn't. Oh,
Yes, she does.
of course she does.
She does.
That, okay. What the hell? Look at that little, like, one cold shoulder. Ooh, goodness. One off the shoulder, like, super sparkly.
Whoa! They match her hair.
I'm freaking out over it because this is okay. So these colors are seriously amazing. They're making me think about paint and furniture, like cool projects. Okay, so like
I'm gonna get her dressed.
the corally pink of her hair, and then we've got this like amazing, like super awesome color, and then this like gorgeous cobalt blue. It's so great. Okay, you're gonna get her dressed.
Her head's gonna fall soon.
Oh my! Oh, Emmy. Always with the heads will roll.
Let's have her cape on.
I know. Oh, she looks amazing. She's like me. She's like, just let me run around in my cape and my boots. Don't make me mess with this outfit.
Yeah, you're just like that. Yeah, that's it.
What? The cape's gone now. You decapitated her to get that cape on.
Guys, after this, I really want to show you my hands.
Are they going to be covered in glitter?
Yes.
You're going to be the new glitterati.
Yes, I am. Because I'm holding all her glitter stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, look at my hands.
Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, fancy hands.
I'm never going to get this thing off.
No, you're never going to get all that glitter off, especially if you play with them. Oh no. Where's my body? Whatever your name is. I don't know what her name is.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, but she's amazing.
No, I don't have any more glitter.
Somewhere. Oh my gosh.
It's so good. Okay, I'm opening the next one. This one might be tears.
Obviously.
No, they aren't, girl. They're other people.
Girl, you're gonna have to share those out.
Woo! It's Rockstar again.
Rockstar.
Uh-oh, it's a duplicate.
I don't think it's a duplicate, baby. I don't think there's duplicates in this thing. Pretty sure people are gonna pay that amount of money for duplicates. You didn't even know how expensive this was. No. You're just like, I'm just gonna don't care about those sorts of measly details. Right?
Here it is. It fell again. It fell. The last
It's like those babies are trying to jump out of there.
The last one fell in the trash can and this.
No. Oh, the trash can.
Yes. Look, she's a super baby.
She is a super baby. She's not. Maybe she didn't fall in the trash can. Maybe she flew into the trash.
I was running.
You think so? Oh, here we go. We got some accessories going on, but you know what? We're just going straight for that baby, aren't we?
That's your secret.
Straight for that baby. Oh boy. This is so fun though, really. Honestly, for one of a kind glitter babies, it's totally worth it, even if there's like nothing else in this ball. Like these are worth it. I mean, obviously I see glitter and I'm like, it's worth it. Glitter lipstick, glitter eyeshadow, glitter like body look. I'm like, it's glitter, it's worth it, right? It's glitter. It's worth it. Okay, no. I gotta see the baby first.
Okay.
Come on, let me see that baby. Are you gonna cut it? I'm gonna cut that baby open. I'm gonna get that baby.
No.
Okay.
I'll open it. You don't. I guess I'll have to open it.
It's me or you, sister. Okay.
Oh, you're right. It is a duplicate.
No.
I was right. See?
No.
I thought there was a duplicate.
Oh my goodness, no. That is like...
That's worth money. We need our money back. What if it's duplicates babies?
I mean, that's not worth the money. Oh no. No.
I knew it was a duplicate.
This one is messed up. What?
Yeah.
Oh no.
She even has total different colors.
What in the world? Okay, that's... We did get a messed up one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well guys, we're gonna check these. Oh my gosh. We're gonna check the outfit accessories. And
Yes.
then we're gonna come back with the babies, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so weird. Okay.
It's kind of funny.
I know, it's kind of funny. I know it is. Okay.
Oh, these are different. Oh, these are the same.
Okay. Alright. Well, you know what? Let's check the boots real quick and then. Dude. Okay, so far we've opened the two big balls.
Duplicates.
Emmy's face. Oh gosh. No. NG, AE, or NG, whatever. NG. Okay. This is first. We have two of whoever these babies are. I don't even know their names. I don't even know your names! Scratch here. Maybe that spells their names. So we're gonna open the babies. Emmy, you do one and I'll do one. How does that sound?
Good.
Okay.
These only have 5 layers.
Only have 5 layers. Okay.
So 7. It's 5, so quick and easy. Okay, please don't be the same message. Oh, it's Queen Dance, Queen Dance.
Dance Queen?
No.
No. Dancing Queen.
Dancing Queen, yes.
We were close. And mine is...
Dance Queen. I think it is. Yep, it's Dance Queen.
Dancing Queen. Okay. I totally love Dancing Queen. Alright.
All of the baby's colors change.
They're all color change. Okay, let's just turn to the baby. Okay?
Okay, Queen.
Okay. So these balls are also half white and half gold, right?
Don't worry about that. I'm going to open the doll because it's a doll with piggy tails.
Girly.
And she's sitting. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna let you open that one as well. So we have a pigtailed sitting doll so far.
No, it's not pigtails, it's buns.
Oh, buns or
Pigtail buns.
something. Oh my gosh, is she the baby for the big?
Yes, she is.
No,
We
she's
should've got
the baby for the big that we didn't get.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, put
We
her up
should
there.
have got this one.
What if we got 2 of her?
What if we got 2 of
What if we
her?
got 2 of her?
Gotta get her purse. She would definitely be Midnight's friend.
Okay, her and Midnight are besties. Her and me are besties.
Midnight still has the cutest book ever. So cute!
Yeah, it is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at your sunnies. Hello.
Why do you call them Sunnies?
Wow, that's a nickname for sunglasses. Did you know that? It just is. Ooh, a white chain. That's super cool. Okay, who's in the other ball? Who? Is it the pink one? Oh my gosh, this is going to be so weird.
It's a duplicate. No, wait. It isn't.
Okay, get her out. Okay, so everything else was right. Oh, she's like laying on her face. She's like, oh, she's weepy. She's adorable. Oh, look at her. Diaper. Let's see. Oh, her bag is super cute. And her bag has glitter on it. Yes. Okay, so they're basically, they just messed up somehow on the big. I'm not sure. She
They would go perfect with
oh, they would go perfect. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Any suggestions? Any ideas? Maybe leave it in the comments. Do we take it back to the store? Do we
Yeah.
contact the
get our
company?
money back?
Yeah, what do we do? We contact MG LMNOP, whatever this place is called. I mean, it probably does help because we actually have not done the bath bombs yet, but I don't know. Anyway, any ideas as to what we should do about these two? Was there a checklist in any of this? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next video when we figure out what we're supposed to do and whether or not we do these bath bombs.
Bye, subscribe.
And like and thumbs up and kisses. Mwah.